morning, dear students. Dear students, today we will be learning about a new chapter, chapter number 18, phrases and clauses. So, what is phrases and clauses? Okay, what is phrases and clauses? Phrases are the group of words which does not make any sense. Phrases are the group of words which does not make any sense. Okay, and the clauses is the content of subject and predicate. Okay, so let's learn what is phrases and what is clauses. So phrases a group of words that does not make complete sense. We have taken the example of a bunch of roses. Okay, a bunch of roses. Actually, it is a collective noun, a group of words which does not make any sense like a sentence. Type of phrases are there. Okay, there are type of phrases. In the type of phrases, there are noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, and adverbial phrase. Okay, so what is noun phrase? Which contains noun? Verb, in that it contains verb. Prepositional, that means a preposition. Okay, adjective which describes, and adverbial which adds meaning to the. Okay, and clauses. The second part is clauses, a group of words with subject and predicate. Clauses means a group of words with subject and predicate. So here I have taken the example of the sky looks blue in the morning. So here the sky is subject and looks blue in the morning is a predicate in a sentence. So phrases are the group of words which does not make any sense and the clauses is a group of words with a subject and predicate. Okay, in the phrases there are type of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase, adjective phrase, and adverbial phrase. In your textbook, on the page number 158, it is given noun phrase that has a noun or pronoun as the main word. So here a sentence is taken, the sky. Okay, so sky is a noun. Okay, so here there will be a noun can be a noun or pronoun as the main word is called a noun phrase. For the example, my brother, here we are going to do an exercise. So here a captain. A captain is a common noun. So it is a noun phrase. Okay. The phrase that has a verb or more than one verb as that main word is called a verb phrase. For example, can sing, will do, or is going. Prepositional phrase, the phrase that begins with a preposition, is called a prepositional phrase. For example, at home, in the room, on the table. Adjective phrase, the phrase that describes a noun or a pronoun. Okay, describing words. Adjectives are the describing words which describes a noun or pronoun called an adjective phrase. Okay, it may have an adjective as the main word. For example, very poor, extremely good, to difficult. Adverbial phrase, the phrases that has an adverb as the main word is called an adverbial. For example, very quickly, quietly, happy. So dear students, here we will be doing an exercise to understand more about what? About the phrases, about the types of noun phrases. So here the first sentence is given here. So there are 10 examples here through exercise that we are going to do and identify the types of nouns. So a captain is considered the leader of the team. Now we have to identify here. So a captain is a noun. So it is a noun phrase. So here we will be writing N. Okay. Is considered. Now is a verb. So this is a verb phrase. Okay. Verb that the leader, again the leader is a noun, so again it is a noun phrase. Of the team, now it is a prepositional phrase. Why? Of is a preposition in a sentence, so it is a prepositional phrase. Second sentence, the paintings in the Ajanta caves are very beautiful. So the painting is a noun, so it is a noun. The Ajanta caves, so in the Ajanta caves, so it is a prepositional phrase. Why? Actually Ajanta caves are the proper noun, but in the Ajanta caves, so it is a prepositional phrase. And very beautiful, it is an adjective phrase. It is an adjective phrase. Characters in our cartoon films are very fun. Character in cartoon films are. So character. So what about a character? So character can be anybody. Okay. So characters are in the cartoon film is a noun phrase. Okay. It is a noun phrase. And very funny is an adverbial phrase. It is an adverbial phrase. My sister Namrata can run very fast. My sister Namrata can run very fast. So my sister. Sister is a noun, so it is a noun phrase. Namrata also is a noun. Can run. Okay, my sister Namrata can run is a noun phrase and very fast. It is an adverbial phrase. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone is a noun phrase and no moss. Okay, a rolling stone is a noun phrase and no moss is again a noun phrase. Your sister may join you after the class. So your sister is a noun phrase. May join you after the class. After is a preposition. So it is a prepositional phrase. So here we will be write P. Here again the noun phrase. Here again the noun phrase. It is a noun phrase. It is an adverbial phrase. Okay. This is a noun phrase. May join. Okay. It is a verbal phrase and this is a prepositional phrase. The black cat chased a brown dog through the park. So black cat is a noun phrase. A brown dog through. Okay, a brown dog. So brown dog again it is a noun phrase. Through the park. Okay, so it is a prepositional phrase because through it is a preposition. Through is a preposition. Walking on a gravel road is very difficult. So on a gravel road is a preposition. So here we will be writing P. Very difficult. It is an adjective. Okay, very difficult is an adjective phrase. My brother was drinking hot chocolate from my cup. My brother is a noun phrase. Okay, my brother is a noun phrase. Was drinking is a verbal phrase. And hot chocolate. So it describes the chocolate is hot or cold. So it is an adjective. And from is a preposition. So it is a prepositional phrase. Okay. Next, I was disappointed to watch the new Superman film. So I was disappointed. Noun phrase. The new Superman film, it again a noun phrase. So dear students, here, okay, here I is a noun phrase and was disappointed. Okay, so a captain is considered the leader of. So in almost all the sentences here we have shown the all type of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase and prepositional phrase in a sentence. So in this class we are learning about the phrases, clauses and type of phrases. Okay. So these points you have to write it down in your notebook with a good handwriting. Also we are learning the another exercise of the identifying the in the sentence which are the clauses and which are the phrases. So as we did the types of noun phrases exercise, we will be learning this exercise too. So once again I remind you about what is phrases and clauses. So phrases are the group of words and clauses contains the subject and predicate in a sentence. So here already I have done the answers for you, but I shall tell you. So the first sentence, I love watching films. So it is a clauses. Why it is a clauses? Because here I is the subject and rest of the part is a predicate in a sentence. My favorite restaurant is just a group of words which does not make any sense. So it is a phrases. We are running late for school. It is clauses. Why? Because we is a subject and rest of the part is a predicate in a sentence. And dear students, when I told you, I said from the word bonus, rest of the part is a predicate in a sentence. Let us complete our word fast. Let us complete. So, let us is a subject and complete onwards is a predicate in a sentence. So, it is a clauses. Those beautiful roses. So, it is the phrases. My mother and I are visiting my grandma. Okay. So, my mother and I is a subject in a sentence. Are visiting my grandma is a predicate in a sentence. The new football team of my school. The new football team of my school is a phrases. Mr. Das took us out for a ride in his new car. So Mr. Das is a subject in a sentence and took us out for a ride in his new car is a predicate in a sentence. Those bright yellow sunflower is a phrases. Bubbly is studying very hard for her exam is a clauses because bubbly is a subject in a sentence and rest of the part is a predicate in a sentence. So dear students, the points which I have written on this part of you have to write down in your notebook as well as this both exercise you have to complete in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.